Morning student. In previous lecture we learned some discussion on logarithmic function and exponential function, and we also take some example depend on exponential function. Okay, and we already start exercise 5.4 and we already complete example number 1 to 5 of exercise 5.4. Now we take more example of exercise 5.4, that is example number 6. See here, y equal to e raised to x plus e raised to x square plus e raised to x cube plus up to e raised to x raised to 5. We have to here find dy by dx, and we know the derivative of e raised to x, that is same e raised to x into derivative of power, that is derivative of x is 1, that is derivative of e raised to x same as e raised to x. See here, derivative of y, that is dy by dx, and here derivative of e raised to x same e raised to x plus, see here, derivative of e raised to x square, that is derivative of e raised to x square, that is same as x square into derivative of power, but here power is x square, that means into derivative of x square, that is 2x, which is chain rule. Okay, next e raised to x raised to 5, same derivative of e raised to x, that is e raised to x into derivative of x cube. Okay, derivative of x cube, which is 3x square, same here we use chain rule. Next term is e raised to x raised to 5 and derivative of e raised to x raised to 4, sorry, e raised to x raised to 4 and derivative of e raised to x same as e raised to x. Then here I write first e raised to x raised to 4 into, see here, power is here x raised to 4, then into derivative of power, that is a derivative of x raised to 4, which is 4x cube, and last term is e raised to x raised to 5, and we know derivative of e raised to x, that is same as e raised to x. Then here e raised to x raised to 5 into, by chain rule, derivative of x raised to 5, that is 5 into x raised to 4. Sum complete, very easy sum. Okay, next y equal to under root e raised to root x, where x is greater than 0. We know the derivative of root x here. We know the derivative of root x, that is d upon dx equal to root x equal to 1 upon 2 root x. We know this formula. Okay, and here we know the formula, derivative of e raised to x equal to e raised to x. See here, first derivative of root, and then here outer function is root, at that time inner function is e raised to root x. ओके, यहाँ पे जो बाहर का फंक्शन है वो है रूट वाला, उसके अंदर जो फंक्शन है वो है e raised to, और उसके अंदर जो फंक्शन है वो अगेन रूट x. नाउ फर्स्ट डेरिवेटिव ऑफ आउटर फंक्शन, derivative of outer function, that means first derivative of root, and derivative of root is 1 upon 2 root. Then here I write 1 upon 2 root, that is e raised to root x. Okay, तो root x का जो डेरिवेटिव है वो खत्म हो गया. अब मल्टीप्लिकेशन में क्या है, e raised to root x, and we know the derivative of e raised to x, that is same as e raised to x. Then here e raised to root x. Okay, e raised to root x का डेरिवेटिव मैंने कर दिया. अब उसके अंदर जो फंक्शन है, उसके अंदर कौन सा फंक्शन है, रूट x, and we know the derivative of root x, that is 1 upon 2 root x. Then here I write 1 upon 2 root x. Okay, example complete. But see here, now I simplify this, e raised to root x raised to 1, and here e raised to root x raised to 1 by 2. Okay, see here e raised to root x whole raised to 1, and in denominator e raised to root x whole raised to 1 by 2. Then these two terms are divisor, then subtraction of power. Then I write e raised to root x whole raised to 1 by 2 upon 2 into 2, that is 4 root x. Then I write this term as 1 by 4 under root e raised to root x upon x. Okay, very easy sum. Next I take exercise 5.4, example number 8. y equal to log of log x where x is greater than 1। यहां पे जो सबसे बाहर का फंक्शन है वो है log और उसके अंदर जो फंक्शन है वो भी log और उसके अंदर algebraic function that is x only। Now first I derivative then dy by dx। First derivative of outer function, that means outer function is here log, at that time inner function as it is। Okay, now derivative, we know the derivative of log x which is 1 upon x, but here x as log x, then derivative of log x is 1 upon x, but here x as log x। ओके तो यहां पे मैंने जो सबसे बाहर log फंक्शन था उसका डेरिवेटिव कर दिया। अब जो इनर फंक्शन है, इनर फंक्शन क्या है log x, तो वी नो दैट डेरिवेटिव ऑफ log x that is 1 upon x into derivative of inner function, but here inner function is x which is algebraic function and we know the derivative of x that is 1, then our answer is 1 upon x into log x, that is our final answer। See here, now example number 9, y equal to cos x upon log x। Then here we use quotient rule or second method is cos x into log x whole raised to minus 1। Okay, cos x into log x whole raised to minus 1, but here we use quotient rule। In quotient rule, see here, first derivative of y that is dy by dx, in quotient rule log x denominator as it is into derivative of numerator, derivative of cos x that is minus sin x, minus now numerator cos x as it is into derivative of log x that is 1 upon x in denominator whole square that is log x whole square। Now I take LCM, then x multiply with this first term and equal to minus, I take first, then x into log x into sin x minus only cos x upon x multiply with log x whole square। Now see in numerator both term are negative, then I common minus from both term, then minus now x log x into sin x, but minus is common, then this sign is now positive, then plus cos x in denominator x into log x whole square, which is our final answer। Now I take exercise 5.4 example number 10, which is also very easy sum। See here, y equal to cos of log x plus e raised to x। Here outer function is cos, at that time inner function is log x plus e raised to x, and we know the chain rule, first derivative of outer function at that time inner function as it is into next derivative of inner function। See here, derivative of y is dy by dx, now derivative of outer function that is cos, and derivative of outer function, derivative of cos is minus sin at that time inner function that is log x plus e raised to x as it is। ओके तो यहां पे मैंने सबसे पहले जो आफ्टर फंक्शन है उसका डेरिवेटिव कर दिया। अब मल्टीप्लिकेशन में होगा इनर फंक्शन का डेरिवेटिव, मतलब इनर फंक्शन है log x जिसका डेरिवेटिव होगा 1 upon x एंड डेरिवेटिव ऑफ e raised to x सेम एज e raised to x इक्वल टू माइनस साइन ऑफ log x plus e raised to x। Here I take LCM, then 1 plus x e raised to x in denominator x, and our final answer is minus sin of log x plus e raised to x 1 plus x e raised to x in denominator x। तो यहाँ पे 5.4 जिसमें 10 सम थे वो हमारे खत्म हो गए, जो कि बहुत इजी था। सब एग्जांपल डिपेंड्स ऑन एक्सपोनेंशियल फंक्शन। ओके अब एक्सरसाइज 5 के कुछ सम में ले रहा हूं जो हमने पहले मेथड पढ़ चुकी है उसी पर डिपेंड सम है। एक्सरसाइज 5 एग्जांपल नंबर 1, see here y equal to 3x square minus 9x plus 5 whole raised to 9। Here we have to find dy by dx, which is very easy, dy by dx। Here chain rule, first we apply chain rule। Here first term is, first outer function is power, then 9 now in coefficient, then 1 power is less than 3x square minus 9x +5 होल रेज़ टू 8। ओके, तो यहां पे जो पावर था उसका डेरिवेटिव मैंने कर दिया। अब उसके अंदर जो फंक्शन है वो है 3x² - 9x + 5, तो अब उसका डेरिवेटिव करेंगे, तो उसका डेरिवेटिव 3x², 2 now in coefficient and 1 power is this, then here 3 2s are 6 minus derivative of 9x, that is 9, and derivative of 5 which is constant term, and we know the derivative of constant term which is always 0. Okay, now from this bracket 3 is common, then here 9 3s are 27, 3x² minus 9x plus 5 whole raised to 8. From this bracket already we take 3 common, then remaining term is 2x minus 3. Okay, जो कि बहुत इजी है। नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल मैं लेता हूं एक्सरसाइज 5 का सेकंड नंबर का, वो भी बहुत ज्यादा इजी है। y इक्वल टू sin cube x plus cos raised to 6x. Now here we have to find derivative of y with respect to x, that is dy by dx. Now derivative of sin here, first outer function is power, then first I write power in now coefficient and 1 power is less than 3 into sin square into derivative of inner function, but here inner function is sin, then derivative of sin is cos x into derivative of x, that is 1. Next term, see here, plus derivative of cos raised to 6, 6 into cos raised to 5x into derivative of cos, that is minus sin x. See here, from these two terms 3 one time common and sin and cos is common one time, then 3 into sin x into cos x common, then remaining term 3 already common, cos already common, one time sin function is common, then remaining term is only one time sin. Here minus 6, from 6 we have to already common 3, then remaining term is 2, one time sin function common, one time cos function common, then remaining term is cos raised to 4, which is our final answer and which is very easy. Now I take one more example of exercise 5, which is example number 4. बहुत ज्यादा अच्छा सम है। See here, y equal to, see here, inverse function, y equal to sin inverse x root x where 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1. यहां पे जो सबसे बाहर का फंक्शन है वो है इनवर्स फंक्शन और उसके अंदर x रूट x, तो यहां पे सबसे पहले डेरिवेटिव किसका करेंगे, तो साइन इनवर्स का, here dy by dx. We know the derivative of sin inverse, that is 1 upon under root 1 minus x square, but here x as x root x whole square into derivative of x root x, but here x into root x, I write x d upon dx of x into root x, that means x raised to 1 into x raised to 1 by 2, then I write x raised to 3 by 2. Okay, first derivative of sin inverse, that is 1 upon under root 1 minus x square, but here x as x into root x whole square into derivative of this bracket, but this bracket, see here, I simplify first this bracket, x raised to 1 into root x, that is 1 plus 1 by 2, that is 3 by 2. Now see here in numerator first power, see here first term is 1 upon under root 1 minus x into root x whole square, that means x square into root x square, that is only x, and x square into x gives x into derivative of this term, coefficient is now power and 1 power is this, that means x raised to 3 by 2 minus 1 gives 1 by 2, then our answer is 3 by 2, x raised to 1 by 2, that is root x, then I write in whole root x upon 1 minus x cube, क्योंकि बहुत इजी सम था। नेक्स्ट, क्योंकि बहुत इजी है, एक या दो स्टेप है, देखते रहिए। y इक्वल टू साइन इनवर्स x प्लस साइन इनवर्स रूट 1 माइनस x। तो शायद आपको पहले क्या आएगा माइंड में, तो डेरिवेटिव ऑफ साइन इनवर्स x, दैट इज 1 अपॉन अंडर रूट 1 माइनस x, और देन डेरिवेटिव ऑफ साइन इनवर्स रूट 1 माइनस x, और देन 1 अपॉन अंडर रूट 1 माइनस समथिंग। ओके, यहां पे आप इंडिपेंडेंट डेरिवेटिव कर दोगे, लेकिन याद करो हमारा सेकंड चैप्टर, याद करो हमारा सेकंड चैप्टर, इंटर रिलेशन ऑफ इनवर्स ट्रिगोनोमेट्रिक फंक्शन। इंटर रिलेशन ऑफ इनवर्स ट्रिगोनोमेट्रिक फंक्शन। उसमें क्या किया था हमने, साइन इनवर्स एक्स को कॉस इनवर्स में कन्वर्ट करते तो क्या लिखते हैं, कॉस इनवर्स अंडर रूट 1 माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर। उसको tan में कन्वर्ट करते तो tan इनवर्स x अपन अंडर रूट 1 माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर। सेम वे if I take cos inverse x, I convert cos inverse into sin inverse, then cos inverse x equal to sin inverse under root 1 minus x square. Then I write sin inverse root 1 minus x square equal to cos inverse x. Then here y equal to sin inverse x plus cos inverse x, which is formula. But we know the next formula, sin inverse x plus cos inverse x, that is simplify by 2. Now derivative of y with respect to x, that is dy by dx, and derivative of this side, derivative of pi by 2, but pi by 2 which is constant term, then derivative of pi by 2 which is always 0. Okay, good morning student. Now I take most important topic, that is logarithmic differentiation. In previous lecture we see differentiation of exponential function. In exponential function, in exponential function base is always constant but power is some variable, and in logarithmic function, see here, suppose I take one function, that is y equal to fx, and fx I write as px raised to qx. तो हमारा y जो है वो क्या होगा, px raised to qx. तो यहां पे बेस और पावर दोनों वेरिएबल है, तो अब इसका डेरिवेटिव कैसे करेंगे, ठीक है। मैंने अगले लेक्चर में आपको बताया था कि अगर ऐसा हो तो हम ऐसा लिख सकते हैं y raised to y equal to e raised to power, that means qx into log base, that is log p of x. ओके, ऐसा हम लिख सकते हैं। अगर आपको ऐसा नहीं करना है तो क्या करेंगे, देख लीजिएगा, यहां से मैं स्टार्ट करता हूं। नाउ y इक्वल पी एक्स होल रेस्ट टू क्यू एक्स। फर्स्ट आई टेक log फंक्शन बोथ साइड, देन हियर log y इक्वल टू सी हियर log पी एक्स होल रेस्ट टू क्यू एक्स। नाउ properties of log function, I take this qx in coefficient, then here I write qx into log of px. Now derivative of this function with respect to x, see here this side, first derivative of log y, that is 1 upon y into derivative of y, that is dy by dx, and this side first qx as it is, multiplication rule, one function is qx, second function is log px, here qx as it is. Now derivative of log, that is 1 upon px into derivative of px, that is p dash x, okay, plus now log px as it is into derivative of qx, that is q dash x, which is multiplication rule. Now this y take opposite, then derivative of y with respect to x equal to y into bracket in numerator qx into p dash x upon px plus as it is log px into q dash x. तो इस तरह से हम इसका डेरिवेटिव कर सकते हैं। ये मैंने क्या लिया, लॉगरिथमिक फंक्शन, जहां पे बेस और पावर पे दोनों जगह पे वेरिएबल है, ठीक है। तो उसका डेरिवेटिव कैसे करेंगे, शायद आपको इस फॉर्म में डायरेक्ट लिखना था, तो ये बहुत ही अच्छा रहेगा, ये बहुत ही अच्छा रहेगा और ये बहुत सिंपल है। तो इसको कैसे लिखेंगे, e रेज़ टू फर्स्ट आई राइट पावर इनटू लॉग बेस, दैट इज लॉग px, ओके। अगर नहीं लिखना है तो यहाँ पे दोनों साइड पे मैंने लॉग फंक्शन अप्लाई किया, देन log y here log px raised to qx. Now qx taking coefficient, which is property of log, then log y equal to qx into log px. Now derivative of this function with respect to x, then derivative of log y, which is 1 upon y into derivative of y with respect to x, that is dy by dx. And this side, see here, two function and multiplication, then we use multiplication rule. First qx as it is, derivative of log px, which is 1 upon px into derivative of px, that is p dash x, plus Now second function log px as it is into derivative of qx, that is q dash x. Now this way take opposite side and then our answer. See here. Now I take example number 30, which is very easy sum. Y equal to under root x minus 3 into x square plus 4 in denominator 3x square plus 4x plus 5. First I write this one equal to x minus 3 into x square plus 4 upon 3x square plus 4x plus 5 whole raised to 1 by 2. Okay, now I take log function both sides. Then log y equal to log x minus 3 into x square plus 4 upon 3x square plus 4x plus 5 whole raised to 1 by 2. Now this power I take in coefficient. Then I write 1 by 2 log x minus 3 in second bracket x square plus 4 upon 3x square plus 4x plus 5. Now we know the log property of log. If log m upon n, then we use subtraction rule. Log m minus log n, then I write 1 by 2 log m as x minus 3 into x square plus 4 minus log 3x square plus 4x plus 5. Okay, which is log y, and therefore log y equal to 1 by 2. See here. Now we use multiplication rule in log function. If log m into n, then I write log m plus log n minus log 3x square plus 4x plus 5. Now simple derivative of both sides with respect to x, and derivative of log y, which is 1 upon y into derivative of y, that is dy by dx, equal to 1 by 2. See here. Now derivative of log function, which is 1 upon x minus 3 into derivative of inner function, but here inner function is x minus 3, and derivative of x minus 3, that is derivative of x 1, and derivative of 3, which is constant density. Next term, derivative of log function 1 upon x as x square plus 4 into derivative of x square, that is 2x, and derivative of 4, which is 0, minus here x as 3x square plus 4x plus 5. Then derivative of log function is 1 upon x, that is 3x square plus 4x plus 5, into derivative of this bracket, that is 6x plus derivative of 4x, which is 4, and last derivative of 5, which is 0. Why? Because 5 is constant. Now this y take opposite side, then y multiply numerator, then dy by dx equal to y by 2 into 1 upon x minus 3 plus 2x upon x square plus 4 minus 6x plus 4 upon 3x square plus 4x plus 5, which is our answer. अगर यहाँ y की जगह पे ये फंक्शन आपको रखना है तो भी रख सकते हो, वरना ये आंसर बिल्कुल सही है. Okay. Now I take some more extra example which is depend on logarithmic function. And what means of logarithmic function? I take some function which is in the form base and power, both are variable. See here. First I take one example, y equal to x raised to x. I derivative of this function with respect to x, that means here we have to find dy by dx. See here, I write x raised to x as y equal to e raised to power, that means x, log base, that is x. मैं इस फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करता हूं, आप इस फॉर्म में ही कन्वर्ट करना सीखिए, क्योंकि ये फॉर्म बहुत इजी हो जाएगा, आप देखते रहिए. नाउ आई डेरिवेटिव ऑफ y with respect to x, that is dy by dx. Now derivative of e raised to x, that is e raised to x into derivative of power, but here power is x into log x. That means there are two function and multiplication rule we apply. X into log x, first derivative of x, that is 1. At that time log x as it is plus now x as it is into derivative of log x, that is 1 upon x. See here, now I put e raised to x log x equal to y and y equal to x raised to x. That means I put e raised to x log x equal to x raised to x into bracket log x plus x cancel then 1. See here, आपको ये याद रखना पड़ेगा फॉर्मूला के तौर पे. x रेस्ट टू x का डेरिवेटिव क्या है? तो x रेस्ट टू x इंटू ब्रैकेट log x प्लस 1 और 1 प्लस log x. खास ये जरूर से याद रखिएगा. ओके, ये बहुत ही काम आने वाला फंक्शन है x रेस्ट टू x, उसका डेरिवेटिव. ओके, नेक्स्ट आई टेक सम एग्जांपल. y इक्वल टू x raised to sin x. Here we have to find dy by dx. See here, I write first y equal to e raised to power, that is sin x, into log base, that is log x. Now derivative of y with respect to x, that is dy by dx, equal to derivative of e raised to x. Okay, derivative of e raised to x, that is same as e raised to x. And then here e raised to sin x into log x into derivative of this power. But in power there are two terms and in multiplication then we use multiplication rule. Now derivative of first, that is derivative of sin function, is cos into second function as it is plus now sin function as it is and derivative of log x, which is 1 upon x. Now I write e raised to sin x into log x equal to x raised to sin x into bracket cos x into log x plus sin x upon x, which is our final answer. Now I take one more example. See here, y equal to, see here, sin x raised to x. See, function is very easy. And y equal to sin x raised to x. Here y equal to sin x whole raised to x. ऐसा नहीं है, यहाँ पे जो x का पावर है वो एंगल में है. तो यहाँ से यहाँ पे खास ध्यान दीजिएगा. फर्स्ट आई डेरिवेटिव ऑफ y विद रिस्पेक्ट टू x. तो यहाँ पे सबसे बाहर का फंक्शन हुआ sin और उसके अंदर फंक्शन है x raised to x. Then first I derivative of sin, that is cos x raised to x into derivative of x raised to x. And we know the formula of x raised to x, that is x raised to x into bracket 1 plus log x. मैंने अभी आपको बताया कि x raised to x है, उसका डेरिवेटिव फॉर्मूला के तौर पे याद रखिए. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे हो गया हमारा x raised to x, जो मैं आगे लिखता हूँ, into cos x raised to x ब्रैकेट 1 plus log x. तो ये हमारा आंसर हो गया. ठीक है, एक सम में ज्यादा लिखता हूं. y equal to, see here, 1 upon x whole raised to x. y equal to 1 upon x whole raised to x. तो यहां पे कैसे लिखेंगे? y equal to, मैंने क्या बताया था, e raised to first power, that means x, into log base, but here base is 1 upon x. Okay, अब बहुत easy हो गया. Now derivative with respect to x, that is dy by dx, and we know derivative of e raised to x, that is e raised to x means e raised to x log 1 upon x into derivative of power. But in power there are total two terms, which is x and second one is log 1 upon x. Then here we use multiplication rule. Okay, first derivative of x, that is 1. At that time second term is as it is. Now first term, that is x as it is, and derivative of log 1 upon x. But here x as 1 upon x, then derivative of log is 1 upon x. Here that means 1 upon x as 1 upon x into derivative of 1 upon x, and we know the formula of 1 upon x, that is minus 1 upon x square. See here, -1/x square. Now I write this function as 1/x whole raised to x, then 1/x whole raised to x into bracket log 1/x as it is, plus here this x taking numerator, then x into x gives x square into -1/x square. Here x square which is cancelled, then our answer is 1/x whole raised to x into bracket log 1/x, here -1. तो आज हमने लॉगरिथमिक फंक्शन है उसका डिफरेंशिएशन किया, थोड़े एक्स्ट्रा एग्जांपल भी लिए. अब हम बुक के एग्जांपल और बुक्स में जो एग्जांपल है वो करेंगे और एक्सरसाइज 5.5 की और बढ़ेंगे. ठीक है, आज हम इतना रखते हैं.